In 36 randomly selected seawater samples, the mean sodium chloride concentration was 23 cubic centimeters per cubic meter. Assume the population standard deviation is 6.7 cubic centimeters per cubic meter. Construct a 90% confidence interval for the population mean sodium chloride concentration, and then interpret the results. So we want to organize our information. So n is 36, x bar is 23, sigma is 6.7, our confidence level is 0.90. So now we want to use the z interval on the calculator. So we want to type all that information in and then press calculate. So our confidence interval, rounded to 2 decimal places, is 21.16 to 24.84. So that is our confidence interval, and what that means is, with 90% confidence, we can say that the true population mean concentration is between 21.16 and 24.84 cubic centimeters per cubic meter.